Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can make your texts or text boxes on Adalo app builder transparent or change its opacity. So let us dive into this. So guys, there are two ways how you can do this. In the first step, either way, you will need to navigate to the app editor here on Adalo, select the app you would like to work on, and let me zoom into the text box. Left click into the text box, and option number one would be to click into this formatting tab here below the text field under the setup tab, and to click into the text font color. And here just below that slider you will see that slider that will allow you to adjust the opacity of the selected color. So if you move it to the left, the text will be barely visible, almost 100% transparent, so you may use that option. The other option would be to expand the edit styles tab here in the bottom left, and to, for example, adjust the opacity here. You may do that as well. So guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.